Hi YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Michi on Michi's Cucina. You know what? It's been a long and tiring day for me and I want to reward myself with this special recipe. Well, my kids said it's delicious and I believe in that. Remember, kids don't lie, so let's get going. So I have 4/4 cut of chicken. We just have to put all the dried ingredients followed by the remaining ingredients. Make sure to rub it well on your chicken. If you have noticed, I'm not putting the exact amount of the ingredients because it always depends on your taste. Now we will marinate it for at least 5 hours, or it will be best if you will leave it overnight so the meat can perfectly absorb all the flavor. Alright, so I have my non-stick pan ready. Now arrange your chicken in a pan and cook it in a low-medium heat. Make sure to check it from time to time and see if one side is already cooked, then flip it to cook the other side. We just have to cook the chicken until the sauce reduces. I'm having a lot of sauce. I'm just gonna remove the excess. Then we will put a little bit of oil. If you have the olive oil at home, that will be better, but if not, you can use your normal cooking oil for this. Just put a little amount, okay? There you go, our chicken is perfectly done, so you can serve it now with your loved ones. Enjoy your meal, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Like and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.